Am I the only one that hates dirty picnic tables? I don't know. You never know what you're going to get when you get out here to these parks. Hey, everybody. By the way, Tim, GraymanPOTA, amateur radio call sign, November Whiskey 9 Foxtrot. Well, it is a beautiful evening here, Saturday evening at the Morgan Monroe State Forest. I've had some nice weather finally. About 70 degrees out today. It's dropping down into the 60s. I'm out here to do a Parks on the Air activation. So if you follow my channel, you know I've been doing a lot of activations inside the truck because of the cold weather. Spring is here. Actually, we're at the end of May, so hopefully we'll start having some better weather. But with that, I am ready to get outside and get going. But dirty picnic tables, I don't really like to set my stuff on them. You never know what you're going to get. Bird poo, fish guts, who knows. So my friend James from Quirky QRP sent me his new field reference mat. It's a mammoth, I think is what he calls it, the mammoth field reference mat. And it is ideal for this situation. So if you're, don't like to put your nice stuff on dirty picnic tables, this is the way to go. So let's go ahead and get started. If you guys are familiar with me doing things off the back of my pickup truck, off the back of the Bronco on the tailgate table, I've got a standard desk reference mat. I love that thing. Not only does it provide a clean surface, but this is essentially the same kind of material that the old mouse pads are made of. So it provides some grip and keeps things from sliding around, but not only that, provides a protective surface. So let's go ahead, let's get this thing open up. Now it's definite, a much larger one than what I've got in the past. The other one is about 2 feet. This is, holy cow. So the overall size of this is 70 inches wide by 20 inches, 24 inches tall. Probably 24 inches by the looks of it. It does have a carrying strap that does come with it. Set that here to the side and we will open it up. So this is going to have every bit of information that you're ever going to need to know. Kind of feel like my table might be too small. Holy cow. All right, as you see here, we've got this set up now, 70 inches, 24 inches wide. We've got all the amateur radio band information in there, which is even great for somebody like myself. Holding an extra, I'm not restricted on frequency space, right? I've got access to all of the bands that we have access to as amateur radio operators. But by doing a lot of POTA activations, the large majority of people on HF hold a general license. So I want to make sure that I am not trying to activate a park in a frequency space that a large majority of people may not be able to access. So things like this are great to have at the ready. In addition to the band space, phonetic alphabet, Q codes, Morse code, RST system, common VHF, UHF calling frequencies, HF calling frequencies, and then down over here we have the ITU zones. So what a neat thing. If you guys see James out, give him a thumbs up, fist bump. He's a great guy, and he does a lot of good stuff for the community. All right, sun is going down. I want to get on the air. Check out James's website. I will put a link to it down below. Right now, during the Memorial Day weekend, I'm not sure when the sale ends. There's I think he has a 15% off coupon. I will put that coupon code down below. But otherwise, on general purchases, there's a 10% coupon code, GraymanPOTA, GraymanPOTA, GraymanPOTA. I will also put that down below with a link to this in the description. And until we have an opportunity to meet on the air, I've got a video right over here that you might be interested in.